we're trying to be conscious of not wasting as much milk, but then again, we have to think about hygiene as well. There does seem to be a lot of extra milk that is wasted, even though we still stick to the measurements on the measuring jugs. I think it's a brilliant idea to have a tap of milk. It would be especially beneficial for us because we wouldn't have to keep on running out to the back to bring in more milk cartons in. It would be a much bigger container.